and unique yellow flowering perennials for every growing zone. Color-coded yellow, my darling coneflower. For an abundance of sunny yellow color in your summer garden, choose this darling coneflower. Its rich green leaves are a faultless contrast to its deep yellow blooms that age to the color of cream. Early Sunrise Tickseed. Enjoy late summer color for years in zones 4 through 8 when you add Early Sunrise Tickseed, Coreopsis grandiflora, to your garden bed or perennial container. In many zones, Coreopsis begins blooming even sooner, attracting butterflies and bees in early summer with its 2-inch double yellow blooms. Funyella trademark Clematis. Enjoy the vining form of a clematis, but with unique and long-lasting flowers with the Funyella trademark Clematis. Also known as Clematis Golden Dream, this perennial features bell-shaped, nodding flowers that bloom in spring and summer. Hello, yellow butterfly milkweed. Here is another great way to provide bright color and texture to your garden and save our pollinators. Hello, yellow butterfly weed. Asclepias tuberosa is a butterfly magnet and is a vital link in saving these beautiful pollinators who help to guarantee that we can enjoy our garden flowers and make food for years to come. Lemon A-peel black-eyed Susan vine. A very prolific annual vine in most of the United States, Unbergia alata, or black-eyed Susan vine, can grow up to 8 feet in one season. Bright lemon yellow flowers with dark brown-purple centers blanket this climbing vine. Little Miss Sunshine, Stonecrop sedum. The aptly named Little Miss Sunshine Stonecrop sedum is bound to brighten up your garden. Producing a profusion of little star-shaped yellow flowers from midsummer, this sedum might just become a firm favorite. Rockin' Low Yellow Brick Road. Stonecrop sedum, follow the yellow brick road for an easy care, drought-tolerant, colorful ground cover for tough situations. With starry yellow flowers that bloom when much of the garden is winding down, this little sedum has evergreen leaves and red stems hold interest the rest of the year. Rough goldenrod. Rough goldenrod, Solidago rugosa, lights up the garden with masses of warm golden yellow blooms from late summer into fall. Its rough, hairy leaves and stems give it a distinctive texture, while upright flower spikes reach about 3 to 5 feet tall, adding bold vertical color. Salud yellow sneezeweed. Add sunshine to yards, patios, porches, and decks from summer throughout fall with Salud yellow sneezeweed. Also known as Helenium autumnale, this herbaceous perennial features composite flowers, each consisting of a golden disc encircled by bright yellow rays, complemented by green foliage. Zagreb tickseed. The Zagreb tickseed is a hardy plant that effortlessly handles summer heat and provides a bright burst of color. Bold yellow daisy flowers feature wide petals that are gently rounded and surround a darker center. Explore cool and unique yellow flowering perennials. For more plants and ideas, follow the link in the description.